If you want to save more money without sacrificing your lifestyle, stick around. We're diving into frugal living tips that really work, even in 2020. Let's kick things off with one of the most essential aspects of frugal living: food savings. In 2025, managing your food budget smartly can make a big difference. Here's how you can keep costs down while still enjoying delicious meals. Firstly, take advantage of smart meal planning apps like MealWise 2025. These apps are a game changer because they not only help you plan nutritious meals, but also automatically generate shopping lists optimized with the best deals available at local stores. These features adapt to your dietary preferences and offer substitution suggestions if certain items are on sale. Speaking of buying produce, joining a community-supported agriculture (CSA) program is another fantastic way to save. By subscribing to a CSA, you pay your local farmer upfront and receive seasonal boxes of fresh fruits and vegetables. This arrangement supports your local agriculture and reduces the cost per unit of produce compared to traditional supermarkets. For those of you who love fresh greens, consider starting an indoor microgreens garden. This is easier than ever with 2025's innovative hydroponic systems designed for urban living spaces. Microgreens are not only packed with nutrients, but they're also quick to grow and can significantly cut down on your grocery costs. Plus, having fresh greens at your fingertips encourages healthy eating habits. Bulk buying remains a reliable method to reduce costs on non-perishable goods. In 2025, check out your local bulk stores or online services that deliver in bulk. This approach slashes packaging waste and cuts down on unit prices. Just make sure to have a proper storage plan to keep everything fresh and organized. Finally, let's talk about minimizing food waste. Use apps like WasteNot, which provide creative recipes based on the leftovers you already have in your kitchen. This ensures that nothing goes to waste and brings a delightful twist to your daily meals. Planning your storage with smart fridge systems can also alert you about expiration dates and suggest recipes to use up food before it spoils. By integrating these techniques into your routine, you'll find that saving on food isn't about deprivation. It's about making informed choices and using technology to your advantage. With a little planning and creativity, you can significantly reduce your food expenses and eat well. Next, let's discuss housing and utilities, two major expense categories in our daily lives that can be optimized for savings, especially in 2025. With the right strategies, you can substantially lower these costs without sacrificing comfort or convenience. To start, consider conducting a home energy audit. These audits are more accessible now with advanced digital tools. They provide a comprehensive analysis of your home's energy usage and offer suggestions on how to improve efficiency. This means identifying phantom loads from appliances that consume energy even when turned off, suggesting you unplug or use smart power strips as a simple yet effective hack. Investing in smart home devices can also help you keep energy expenses down. Smart thermostats adapt to your habits, learning when to heat or cool your home based on your schedule. This ensures optimal temperatures when you're home and saves energy when you're not. Likewise, smart lighting systems automatically switch off lights in unoccupied rooms and adjust to natural daylight, reducing electricity consumption. For those considering changes to their living arrangements, downsizing or choosing a shared living space can significantly impact your budget. As rental prices fluctuate in 2025, finding a smaller rental unit or teaming up with roommates not only reduces rent, but also splits utility bills, making both options economically sensible. On the home improvement front, there are numerous sustainable upgrades you can invest in. Solar panels have become more affordable and more efficient in recent years. Many governments and local initiatives also provide subsidies, making this a worthwhile investment that reduces your electricity costs in the long run. Additionally, upgrading to energy-efficient windows and better insulation materials can slash your heating and cooling costs permanently. But saving isn't just about making big changes. Small habitual adjustments pay off too. Simple practices like washing clothes with cold water, line drying whenever possible, and regular maintenance of heating and cooling systems ensure they run effectively without unnecessary energy waste. In terms of water usage, smart water systems and rainwater harvesting are becoming more common and affordable. These systems allow you to monitor your water consumption closely and use collected rainwater for non-potable needs like gardening or car washing. Promoting efficient water management. By taking these actionable steps, you can significantly lower your housing and utility expenses. In 2025, with advanced technologies and sustainable practices available, these savings are more achievable than ever, bringing both economic and environmental benefits. Let's move on to transportation, a significant and often overlooked area where you can achieve substantial savings in 2025. With advancements in technology and new sustainable practices emerging, now is the perfect time to reassess how you get around. First up, let's talk about public transportation. Cities around the globe have improved their public transit systems, making them more efficient and eco-friendly. Investing in an annual pass can save you a lot of money compared to monthly tickets, especially as many cities offer discounted rates for extended commitments. Using public transport not only reduces your carbon footprint, but also relieves you from the stress and expense of parking and vehicle maintenance. For shorter commutes, consider switching to e-bikes or electric scooters. They have become incredibly popular in urban areas due to their convenience and low cost of operation. Many cities have expanded cycling lanes, making these options safer and more accessible. E-bikes, in particular, are a great investment if you often travel short distances, since they cut costs on fuel and vehicle depreciation while providing a health benefit from increased physical activity. Another excellent strategy is utilizing car-sharing services. Companies like Zoom Wheels and ShareCar have been revolutionizing the way we think about car ownership. These services are perfect if you need a vehicle occasionally, but want to avoid the expenses associated with owning one. You pay only for the time you use the car, which includes fuel and insurance costs, making it a far more economical choice for many. Ride-sharing has also evolved with the integration of AI-based ride-hailing apps. These apps optimize routes and match riders going in similar directions, which reduces trip costs and enhances efficiency. By choosing shared rides, you can cut your travel expenses significantly. Additionally, keeping your personal vehicle in top condition through regular maintenance can prevent costly repairs and improve fuel efficiency. Simple practices such as maintaining proper tire pressure, regularly changing oil, and timely engine checkups extend your vehicle's lifespan and performance. Lastly, consider locations and job opportunities within walking or biking distance. The shift towards remote work in 2025 allows many of us to live closer to our workplaces or to work from places of our choosing. Opting for living arrangements that reduce your need to commute can save you both time and money. Incorporating these transportation tips into your daily life can lead to considerable savings while also contributing to a more sustainable environment. Whether through adopting the latest technologies or simply making mindful choices, there's a breadth of options available to save money on transportation in 2025. Now let's shift our focus to shopping and entertainment, areas where savvy choices can lead to significant savings in 2025, all while keeping life enjoyable and fulfilling. Starting with shopping, one of the most effective strategies is embracing secondhand shopping. Platforms like Thrift Plus and digital marketplaces dedicated to pre-loved items have expanded their offerings, making it easy to find everything from high-end fashion to essential electronics at a fraction of the cost. These platforms have streamlined search features and guarantee authenticity, making it safer and easier to buy secondhand than ever before. In addition to thrift shopping, it's wise to leverage online price comparison tools. With advancements in AI, these tools now go beyond comparing prices. They also track price histories and predict future sales patterns. By using these insights, you can time your purchases for when the items are cheapest, maximizing your savings. Turning to entertainment, digital libraries and streaming services have transformed how we access media. Many libraries now offer extensive catalogs of ebooks, audiobooks, and even films that can be borrowed digitally. These services are often free with a library membership, significantly reducing the cost of purchasing or renting media content. Speaking of digital entertainment, consider subscription services that bundle content. These packages often include movies, series, music, and even ebooks under a single plan at a discounted rate compared to individual subscriptions. Companies frequently offer family or group plans, which allow multiple users under one account, thereby splitting the cost among friends or family for additional savings. For those who enjoy a more hands-on approach, engaging in DIY projects and upcycling is not just a trend, but a rewarding way to save money. Upcycling challenges, popular on social media, can inspire creativity, transforming old or unused items into something new and functional. This not only saves money, but also adds a personal touch to your belongings. If you prefer outdoor activities, take advantage of community events and free entertainment provided by local councils or organizations. In 2025, many communities offer regular free events, including concerts, movies in the park, and more, providing fun without the expenditure. To keep your entertainment budget in check, consider setting up a monthly budget for leisure and entertainment expenses. Tracking spending in these areas helps prioritize experiences and purchases that offer the most enjoyment and value. Finally, don't overlook cashback and rewards programs associated with shopping and entertainment. Apps designed to track your spending often provide cashback for particular categories of purchases or offer bonus points when you shop through their portals. Over time, these rewards can accumulate, providing you with discounts or even free items. With these strategies, shopping and entertainment in 2025 can be affordable and fulfilling. By making informed and intentional choices, you can enjoy life's pleasures while still keeping your finances healthy. Finally, let's explore some savvy financial hacks that can further stretch your dollars and elevate your financial health in 2025. With the right strategies and tools, managing your finances can be both rewarding and stress-free. To kick things off, consider using automated saving bots. These digital tools have become highly sophisticated, allowing you to manage your savings effortlessly. Apps now offer features like rounding up each purchase to the nearest dollar and transferring the difference into a savings account. This small, incremental saving method can accumulate significant funds over time without you even noticing the extra expense. For those ready to take financial control a step further, modern digital investment platforms are tailored for beginners and experienced investors alike. Platforms now offer micro-investing options that let you start with as little as $5, building an investment portfolio with minimal risk. They provide guidance with AI-driven insights tailored to your financial goals and risk tolerance, ensuring a sound investment strategy. Expense tracking and budgeting apps have also seen a leap in capabilities. These apps link all your financial accounts in one place, providing real-time spending reports and personalized budget recommendations. Utilizing AI, they offer predictive alerts about upcoming bills and help you understand spending habits, empowering you to make informed financial decisions. To further capitalize on your expenses, participate in cashback and rewards programs, today's tools track spending across different merchants and credit cards, offering significant rebates and points that are redeemable for cash, gift cards, or travel. Ensure to utilize these programs during promotions or partnerships that offer enhanced cashback rates, maximizing the benefits you receive from regular purchases. Another powerful financial tool is the subscription management service. These services review all your active subscriptions, detecting unused or forgotten ones. They provide an easy way to manage cancellations and negotiate better rates for services, ensuring you're only paying for what you truly use. For those carrying debts, take advantage of AI-driven debt reduction apps. These applications analyze your debt structure and utilize algorithms to propose the fastest and most cost-effective repayment plans. By implementing strategies such as the debt snowball or avalanche methods, these apps help you manage and reduce debt systematically, saving on interest payments and stress. Finally, consider participating in personal finance workshops offered both online and in communities. These workshops provide valuable insights into budgeting, saving, and investing, and they also allow you to connect with financial advisors and networks. The knowledge gained from these sessions can have long-term impacts on how you handle money, making them a wise investment in your financial literacy. By implementing these modern financial hacks, you can streamline your financial management, gain better control over your money, and ultimately achieve greater financial independence in 2025. With these tools and strategies at your disposal, reaching your financial goals has never been more attainable. And there you have it, frugal living tips that are not only doable in 2025, but also rewarding. Which tip will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share these tips with anyone who might need them.